Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free player from the quest, founder quest, exactly. So before the reset of the season, let's try, maybe this is last time. If I forget, let's get to the quest, tap the quest, and this one. You have to do this every day. Complete this every day until 5 times. Remember, founders daily quests and this one. Complete all founders daily quests 5 times. So currently I got 3. I've done 3. So maybe today I will do it for the 4th time. And master goal score and challenge master this. Join 3 rounds of challenge mode matches. Like for example, like let's get back this one, live events, and this one, challenge mode. Do this for 3 times. Yes, entry this event for 3 times for the challenge mode. Let's get back to the case. And after you all done, after you finish this all founders weekly quest, you can get this untradeable, the 110 over player. So last week I've got the Marcos Asensio. Yeah, I got this guy, if I'm not forget. Or I've got either this guy or Barco, but this guy, I think. So please do it every day. Founder daily quests. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.